Today's our heading is Shirsak is cursive writing, writing A to Z in a small letters. So, as we know, a small letter ABCD written like this. This is our A in a small letter. So we write in cursive like this. This is the way to write a small letter A. We make it in small steps so it's easy for you to write. First, we go up, then we make a curve and down. After that, we come back without removing our hand and slowly. Then we go forward, upward, and down. So we have successfully completed our cursive small letter A. Once again, we will write. So this is a small letter cursive A. Now we write small letter B. So this is our small b. Now we write this in cursive. We start from here, go upward, then down, and make a curve. And this is cursive B. So we make this in small steps. First, we make a curve, then go upward. Without removing our hand, go downward. Then we make a circle like semicircle, you can say, or like this. This is our capital B, sorry, a small b in cursive writing. Next, we write C. C is very easy, just like A, but you can say half A. This is our small c. We write in cursive like this. So we have already learned the steps to write A. This is the steps to write C. Go upward, then down, back, and again upward. So our C is complete. This is a small C. Now our next letter is a small d. So we write D like this, but in cursive, we make it first we make C, then go up and then down. This is our cursive small letter D. Let's break this into small steps. Go upward. We first make C like this. We will follow all the steps to making C, and then we go up to the red line, and then we come down and make a D. This is small d in cursive writing. Next letter is small e. Before we write small e, I request you all, let's challenge ourselves, maintain speeds while keeping clarity intact. Request my viewers to comment their favorite letter or practice challenge. The small letters should look strong and confident. Try to keep them even and bold. So we write E like this. This is our small e. In cursive, we little bit different. We write like this. This is our cursive E in English letter. So we also break this. This is very easy. First we go up, then we turn and we make a curve. This is our small e in cursive writing. Next letter is F. We write small f. So first we know this is a small f in English. We write cursive writing like this. This is our cursive F. So we break it into small steps. First we go up, then down, then again go upward and make a circle. Here, completed. We successfully write small letter cursive writing English F. So this is our small letter cursive writing F. Next letter is small letter G. So generally we write G like this. This is our G in English small letter. We write cursive like similar, but cosmetic changes we make. We make this. This is our small letter cursive writing G. First, we make C. We go through C steps all. Then we go down like this, straight line. Then again we make a curved line and go upward like this. This is our G, a small letter in cursive writing. Next letter is small letter H. So we generally write H like this. We write in cursive similar, but little bit cosmetic changes. This is cursive H in a small letter. We make steps, go upward, then make a curve and go downward, and then we write H. This is our small letter cursive writing H. So it's very easy. And if you have enjoyed learning with me today, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It helps us bring more cursive lessons for you. So next letter is I. So we write I like one simple line and one dot. This is our small I. In cursive, we write like this. This is our small letter I. So we write like this. In 3 steps, our I is completed. 1, 2, and 3. I is completed. So next letter is J. In a small letter, simple J, written like this. In cursive, we write first we make I and then we make J. This is our small letter cursive writing J. So what I do, we follow the steps of I. But here we make a curve. We didn't make a curve in J. We go straight to the down and make a curve. And then go upward. So this is our small letter J in cursive writing. Next letter is K. K written like this. This is small k in cursive writing. We write like this. This is our small letter cursive writing K. We make a steps. First we go up. We follow the step of H down. Then we make a circle. And then we make look like R. This is our small letter cursive writing K. So next letter is L. It's very easy to write L. Cursive writing is, I can say, it's a very easy or just simple. So it's enhance our handwriting. So L we write like this. This is our normal print L. In cursive, we write like this. Go upward and then downward. Simple. First we go up, then we, without removing our hand, come down. Only 2 steps in L completed. So next letter is M. We write M like this. In cursive, M is written like similar, but the way to write is little bit different. We start from here, go down, up, then again go down, up, and then again go down. This is our small letter M in cursive writing. So we make it steps, go up, then down, then again up, down, then again up, one more time and down. This is our small letter cursive writing M. Next letter is N. So you can see this is our N in cursive writing. So we write it here. This is a small letter N. We write it like this. As I showed you earlier, we follow these steps. First, second, third. Only 3 steps to complete small letter cursive writing N. Next is O. We write simply a circle in a small letter O, but in cursive we make a little bit different. we write like this. This is our cursive writing O. So we start from here, then go down. We follow the step to make C. Then we touch this line and go further and make a circle. This is our small letter O in cursive writing. Next letter is small letter P. So we simple write P like this, but in cursive we have a different way, totally different way. First we go up, then go totally down, and then we make like H. So we write cursive P, small letter, in all 4 lines. All 4 lines we write cursive P. We start from here and go upward, then we make a move and go downward, then again make a round and go upward, then we write like H. Make sure we didn't touch this like here. If we touch this line here, it will be wrong. So one more time, from here to here. This is our small P in cursive writing. Next letter is small r. So we write r like this, or many people like to write like this. Both are correct in a small letter. But in cursive, we write like this. This is our small letter r in cursive writing. So we start from here, then we make a small circle and go further. Then we back and make a semicircle. So this is our small r in cursive writing. Next letter is S. We simply write S like this. If you remember capital S, so we write same but in 2 lines. S is in cursive written like this. If you remember, this is same way we write in capital letter, but we write in 3 lines. In small letter, we write this S in 2 lines. The way to write is same. Go up, then make a circle, then we come back, making a round, and then go back. This is our small s in cursive writing. Next letter is our T. So simply we write T, one line, and then we cut. So we do the same thing, but in different way. We start from here, we move down, and then we cut. Make sure there is no difference while going down. In L, if you remember, we learned L, so here is a gap. While writing L, here is a gap. But in T, we will not make a gap in 2 lines. So we write, first go up, then we come back in the same line and turn, and then we cut it from upside, this. So this is our small letter cursive writing T. Next letter is small letter U. So we generally write U like this. This is our small letter U. But in cursive, we write it in a different way, like this. This is our small letter U in cursive writing. We start from here, then go down, then make a curve and go up, and again go down. This is small u in cursive writing. One more time. So we have successfully written small u in cursive writing. Next letter is V. So V, we generally combination of 2 lines. This is our V in a small letter. But in cursive, we write this V like this. This is small v in cursive writing. First we go up, then down, then go up, and then make a circle. This is small v in cursive writing. Next letter is W. So generally we write W like this. Many people write this. Both are a small letter W. In cursive, we start from here and go up, then go down, and again up, and then make a circle. This is cursive W. So first we follow all the steps of U, and we go one step further to write W. This is a small letter cursive writing W. Our next letter is X. So simply we write X cross of two lines. This is our X in cursive letter. Sorry, a small letter, normal print X. In cursive, we start from here and make a semicircle. Combination of two semicircles make X. So we follow the steps. First, we go there. We come back totally down, and then we go up, down, and down. This is our X in cursive writing, small letter. Next letter is Y. So generally we write a Y this way. In cursive, we write first we make U and go down, and then we make. So we follow the steps of U and G. Go upward, then downward, then again make a curve and go up. Then we come down to the last fourth line and make a curve, and then look like Z. We go upward. This is our small letter Y in cursive writing. Next and last letter is Z. So generally we write Z in two lines, a small letter, but in cursive we write in three lines, bottom three lines. We start from here, make a semicircle, and then we write like this. This is our small letter Z. We follow the steps. First we go up, then we curve and down, then we again make a curve and go down further, and then go upward. This is our small letter Z. I hope you enjoy this lesson. So, alright, we have now completed all small letters from A to Z in cursive. Before we move forward, let's do a quick recap. This will help reinforce everything we have learned. So, we start from here, A. We write A. This is our small letter A. Then B, C, D, E, F, next G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, we write P in all four lines, Q, R, S, T. As usual, we make single line to write T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So we have completed all small letters. Keep practicing daily, and soon cursive writing will feel effortless. Don't forget to subscribe our for our next session on connecting letters. We will learn how to connect each letters. Thank you.